Hi everyone. We are learning asp.NET MVC core. Okay, what I am going to do today, okay, I am running this, just observe it. Okay, then I will teach you, okay, the importance of the topic, what are we going to learn today. Okay, see, this is all the list of the employees which are currently present. Now, if I click on this, okay, it means I am routing to a different page and the data related to that particular employee is being displayed. Okay, so I click on back, again I come back. Okay, if again I click here, okay, I am able to see the particular record and then I am coming back here. All right, now it means what is happening here. Okay, first understand what are we going to do now. Okay, see, we are having two pages. This is one page, okay, and this is second page. Now what is happening here? Okay, initially this page is being displayed, and when user clicks on a particular link, we are routing to a different page. I think very much clear. So this page is being displayed to the user, and when the user clicks on this page, okay, we are routing to the different page. But our requirement is this, okay, the link on which it clicks, its name should be passed along with the link, so that we should be able to display the related record. I hope it is clear to you what are we trying to do. Okay, now to overcome this, we have something known as, okay, asp.route. Okay, we have already discussed something about route. So what is the meaning of this? Okay, let's see this. Okay, what is this? What they are trying to say? Okay, in asp.NET Core Razor pages, asp.NET Route ID is used with tag helpers, your A or form. You can use either inside A or form to pass a value as part of the route, allowing you to dynamically generate URL that includes an identifier like an ID, student ID, pages, etc. etc. So it means what we are going to do when we'll click here, okay, we'll route to this page, but okay, the specific data should be passed along with the routing as well. I hope that is very much clear to everybody. All right. Now I'll go to the code and I discuss in detail about this thing. Okay. So this is my code. Now, okay, I have this particular model. Okay, that is student and having some properties into this. Okay, you can see here. All right. ID is there, name is there, branch, section, gender. All right. Now I am going to my controller. This is my controller. So let's discuss in detail about the controller, what I'm doing here. Okay, I am making a list of student type. Okay, here this is the student type list. And then I am having, okay, the constructor of the controller. Alright, I am having the constructor for the controller. And you know, whenever a class is, an object is being made from a particular class, the very first function which is being invoked is your constructor. So it means whenever, okay, this constructor is being invoked, okay, this list will be populated with some this random data. ID is this, name is this, branch is this, etc. 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 Okay, it means when this page gets loaded, the constructor will be called and the list student will be populated with this dummy data. All right, now I think that is clear to everybody. Fine. Do let me know if I'm going fast. Okay, now if I go to my programs, this is my program. Over here we can see here we are having home and index. Now we know that whenever you are running a page, so index page displayed by default. Okay, if you see this, okay, if you see the home controller, okay, in home controller, this index view comes automatically because we have mapped in the routing here. Okay, now again come back to the controller. Now, whenever we are passing, okay, whenever we are passing the index, okay, we are passing the entire list to this. And by the time the list has been populated, okay, with this particular list which we have input the data over here. I think that is very much clear. So now just visit to index.html and now I'll guide you one by one. Okay, line number 1. We are expecting that the list, okay, we are expecting that the list will of a student will come, correct? So I say model, okay, then I'm making a table here, okay, then ID, name, view is there. Now look over here, okay, now right now we are having 3 record, 4 record, we are not aware of these things. So what we want, okay, a table should be made, okay, in the table student ID should be displayed, name should be displayed, okay, see this. So we are iterating from here, okay, this loop will run, okay, model I'm using because see this model is there and the variable is student here. Now what is happening here, we are displaying the ID, we are displaying the name. Now along with this, we are displaying an anchor. So anchor is starting from here and anchor ending here. It means on the same, please understand, on the same TR, there are 3 TD, one TD, second TD, third TD. But in the third TD, we are having an anchor. And this anchor, we have written ASP controller home and ASP action details and ASP route student. That is very, very important to understand. Okay. What is the meaning of this? Okay. Whenever user clicks on this anchor, we will route to a controller home and there should be an action detail and this student ID on which he clicks at the runtime will pass into this. Okay. So details. Now, okay, I hope that is very much clear. What is the details? This is the details. Now, line number 1. Okay, we just study about strongly type view. Okay, line number 1. So student model is available over here because of line number 1. Okay, now, okay, I'm doing some decoration over here. Okay, here I am displaying the name. Okay, then ID will be displayed, branch will be displayed, section will be displayed, gender will be displayed by using the concept of your strongly typed view, correct? Then on line number 19, okay, we want to go back as well. Okay, we want to go back as well. So I have having another anchor that is HRF. HRF stands for hypertext reference and I have written home index. So it means whenever user clicks on this back button, okay, we will route to home and index. Okay, again I'll run this, just observe this. So the controller constructor has been invoked, correct? And the list has been populated and because of the routing, okay, the index page has been displayed and we are able to see this. Now when the user clicks here, okay, when the user clicks here, okay, it goes to this particular ID, correct? Now when we say back, again we are coming here. I hope that is very, very much clear. Okay, please give your feedback on the comment section. Okay, wherever you want the speed to be more fast or slow. Okay, or any feedback from you can be given. Okay, please subscribe and like this video. We'll meet soon in the next session.